Hello friends. So in this lecture I'm going to tell you about Crontab. So in Unix we have a utility to schedule execution of command or to schedule any process. We can schedule the execution of a script. We can run our program by providing time and put that time into a background program of Unix called as Crontab. So I'll tell you about cron expression, how to put exact date, time, year, or the repetition, the occurrences, how to use cron tab editor, how to put command in that editor, or how to put script for execution. So the syntax is we have to put first five, the numeric value or characters as star. So star indicates repetition. So first position is for minute. Its value could be either 0 or 59 from from an hour, or star if you want to run for every minute. Then second tells about which hour you want to execute, whether you want to execute at first hour or the 12th hour, 23rd hour, or at every hour. Just put star for every hour. Day of month, so you can schedule according to the date also of the month, the first date, second day, 31st day, the last one. For every month you can put star, or you can put your specific month, like for Jan you can put numeric also, or small three letter word like Jan, Feb, March, MAR. The last one is for the week. So Sunday indicates 0. So if you put 0, it will run only for Sundays. If you put star, regardless of any day, it will run. Otherwise, Sunday, Monday, or Tuesday, you can put in small three-letter form also. Otherwise, 0 to 6, where 0 indicates Sunday. And then after that, space, and then command that you want to execute. Let's see a simple example. Now, to execute a command, we can put uh, timing here, then command, and then we can redirect the output to any file, to know, okay, yeah, this command is executed and it has make an effect. So right now at my system the time is at 10:22 p.m. I'll schedule it for 23. Let me see how many seconds left. Okay, I'll schedule it for 24, 22. I'll put echo LTC learning Unix. I'll record this at my home location. Okay, let's copy this. So we got how to put the syntax of the command. So our crontab command is same as the above syntax, timing, and then our command, and we are redirecting output to a file. Now crontab is a file in your system. So crontab minus L is to look out the content of the crontab file. I have one crontab here active. So to comment out, if you want to disable any already scheduled program, we can put hash inside and there's a first character, so it will get commented out. Now crontab minus L is a command to look the content of the file or look the content of the programs that we have scheduled. Crontab minus E is for editing it. So I'll delete. Okay, let's not delete this one. And Control X. Control X is to come out from Crontab file. Now let's paste and let's change time because it's already 10:25. So I'll put it as 10:26. At 10:26, what happens? A file get created at this location which contain LTC learning Unix. Let's save it. Control X. Save modified buffer. Yes. Enter. It's saying Crontab installing new Crontab. If we see Crontab -L, yes, it is showing 2622. Now let's go to this location. We don't have any file here right now as record output. Let's wait. Okay, it's 10:26. See, the record output file got created just now. Let's see the content. LTC learning Unix. So easy, right? Crontab -E. So in this way, suppose if I want to remove this, I can just put hash here. So now it will not get executed. Otherwise, tomorrow at same time it get executed again. So I can specify day, as I told, now month and the week, day, a day of week also here. It's mainly used to, schedule the script like which clean old files, clean, your disk spaces. Also, if you want to start some server at a particular time daily to keep monitoring about the logs, to send notification mails daily. So such programs, such scripts are scheduled using crontab here. So it's a very important utility. Now to schedule script, we just need to mention script, and if I don't want to store its output, we can mention as standard output to null and error also to standard output, which in fact eventually goes to null. Or we can send it to some file, uh, some location where we can check, okay, today a script executed successfully at this time. So here I have put uh, one script which will clean my log file. Let's schedule it. So right now it's 28. I'll put 29 here and I'll save it right now. Yes, saying installing new cron tab, it means I have entered it correctly. If you, if I have entered any wrong here in syntax, it will not say okay installing the new cron tab. It will give an error. So what this script will do, it will remove my log files, old log file, and it will record the date in the new file at same location. So right now I have file here with 2219 timing, and content of this log file is 2219. Okay. See, at 2229 this file got created. See, so the content inside this script got executed. So in this way you can clean old files, you can do a lot of work. So that was cron tab, so useful. So please practice it. Thank you.